Hey everyone, it's your girl Emma. Thanks so much for tuning into the African Diaspora News Channel. We've got another Karen on the loose. This took place in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada, and it happened at a Service Canada office, which is the equivalent of the DMV in the United States. She was confronted by one of the people that was in the office due to a racial slur that she said against Black and brown people. She referred to them as brown people, but there were some Black people in the office as well. I'm going to play the clip and then we'll talk about it.
Really, you're going to be racist here in the drive test?
I'm not racist. Why would you say I'm racist?
I just said don't be rude. I didn't say anything else.
I'm not being
We all
rude.
are waiting in this line.
Yes.
And everybody heard you here making a racist comment about brown people.
What did I say?
You said f***ing brown people. Okay, a lot of people heard that. I checked with others. It's not nice. It's not nice. It's not polite.
Yeah, and neither is he.
Hey! Don't fucking record me. It's not on my permission. That's not my permission.
What's happening here?
Miss?
Can someone take a stand in here? Someone who works in here, please?
She just hit her.
There's no security in here?
She just hit her.
They're just here.
She hit her. And you guys are throwing names.
So Karen hauls off and smacks this woman and just saunters out. Didn't even jog, didn't walk briskly, didn't run, just sauntered out, not a care in the world, just assault somebody, racial slur to start with, then assault somebody, and then just saunter out. That would not have been the fate of a Black woman if she had smacked a white woman like that in a Service Canada government office and just was able to just saunter out. That's not what would have happened. She would have been probably tackled by some white person in there, maybe assaulted by another white person or more than one white person in there. And that's the other thing. All of these Black and brown people sitting in there and nobody came to her defense. Nobody went after this woman. Everybody just allowed her to walk out. No way. If I were there and I saw that, she would not have been able to just walk out. I did learn, however, that she was arrested for assault and charged. I don't know whether or not she got jail time. There hasn't been any new reports since this. This happened in May of 2023, so there might be a case pending. But she was apprehended and arrested. However, I say again, the fact that she was able to just saunter out and the fact that nobody did anything that was sitting in the office is astounding to me. But here again is an example of a Karen gone wild, Karen doing whatever she wants to do, and Karen being able to walk out because it's the complexion for the protection. Let me know what you guys think about this. In the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, keep up to date, ring that notification bell. Until next time, peace be.